Right, back we go with another video. Friday, January 29th. Market's closed. Market finished down 620. Dow Jones, S&P minus 73, NASDAQ minus 266. All right, we're going to continue. Do three stocks here. CanF, continue with these small caps. You can see here this form 2013. It's up near 110, but it had the split, and then the usual came all the way down. See it down. Yeah, big bounce in 2015 and came down again, pretty much flat. But you see big volume down here. Let's go to the daily. This had a big drop off. You can draw a line. I'm trying to see here. Pretty much this 20 line. This is where it fell apart right here, this 20 line. You can see right here, this big move up that was 2019, get a gap, another gap. Went down, had a reverse split. So this thing dropped like a rock. And then it went all the way to, let's get closer here, this 250 line. See this 250 line? Then we had a bounce. Then let's try to get to 5. Fill, not really a gap, but that huge candle. And then this went lower. Then this found a bottom pretty much near 110. And then you can see the spikes up here. Look at these spikes. And look at all the volume spikes. They're usually in the up days, the volume spikes. You can see this 250 level. And now, the low kept getting higher, pretty much hugging this 175 on the lows. So you can see this big channel. This has been down. Got as high as 5. And look at the sideways move. This is another one basing. This is a big base. I'm expecting this to, I think this goes above 2. We're right near 2 now. I would look for, if this really moves, 250. We get into here and eventually 5. Now, this might be down the road. This could be a week. It could be a month, a few months. It's still going sideways. You don't know. But, this has big potential too. And your stop on this, 150 is pretty good stop. Longer term, 175 closer if you're like trading it. So you can see this back and forth. And you can see the basic movement of it. Just looking at the chart here. So it's just flat right now. It made a move up before. We'll see what it does. This isn't necessarily moving like some of the stocks. 30 million market cap. Finviz, 14 million float. January 28th, Can Fight NASH indication highlighted in webinar by Cole, Dr. Harrison. I don't know what this means. Nando Demison may have big impact on NASH. Okay. So whatever they do, let me see down. NASH. Clinical stage by a pharmaceutical company, therapeutic, treatment of cancer, inflammatory disease, sexual dysfunction. They have a phase 3. Oh, there it is. It's CF102. That's Nandademosin, whatever. They have phase 2. Founded in 1994, headquartered in Pataka, Tikva, Israel. So they have a lot going on. They have any COVID. I try to pick out the words in COVID. They might be. It looks like I'm reading here. Yeah, they're in COVID too. So that's even bigger. So, float's pretty small. You could get this to really pop, but nothing now. We'll see if this starts to move. But another one, good potential. Let's keep on your radar. VVNT. All right, this is a smart home. Vinet smart home. Market cap's huge, 3.73 billion. Income minus 332 million. Sales 928 million. Float's big, 178 million. No news recently on this. Founded in 1999, headquartered in Provo, Utah. Sale, installation, servicing, monitoring of smart home security systems, United States and Canada. So let's take a look at this one. this formed here. It looks like 2017, sideways. Big move up 2020. You can see this on the monthly. Then it's been in a channel now. You get the weekly here. You can see that big power move up. Then we came down. It's been hitting this back and forth. Now, each chart is different. Like it's like a snowflake in the snow. Each stock is like a snowflake. They're gonna have different characteristics. Look like a snowflake, but they're all different moves. They're all different, shapes, and all different forms in each charts. But they're all the same because they're stocks. So you can see the big move up. This crashed down to 860. Just went back and forth in May, broke up. Big move up to 19. See that? Came down, consolidated, moved up. A low. See, the low kept getting higher pretty much, even in consolidation. Didn't go that far below. Then a big move November, like all the stocks, just pulled back, bounce. So you have a channel here, back and forth. Here's your low trend line. And what I like here is, this is at a 699 on stochastics, very oversold. So you look back, you bounce, bounce, bounce here, big bounce in November. A lot of stocks were a great buy November. So, this was 16. Could have sold it at like 23. Huge. Even here, that was a huge move. Now we're in a downtrend. Now, where's it stopping? Is it come to this 18 line? Finviz has a line right across 16 too. They have one right here. Just a touch many times. You can actually put it low to pretty much 16. So, if this 18 doesn't hold, watch 17, 16 right here. But this looks like a good bounce. The uptrend, this is a classic play on the channel. See what the market does. If the market really goes down, tanks, this could really fall hard. Maybe this breaks the trend line. So, we'll see on this one. All right, so that's it. BCDA. Which is BioCardia Healthcare, 60 million market cap, income minus 15 million, sales 0.3 million, float 8.23 million, lower float. No news recently since January 11th on Finviz. Company is based in San Carlos, California. Clinical stage regenerative medicine company. Develops therapeutics for cardiovascular diseases. It's got a phase 1, phase 2 for heart failure. The monthly on this, we have a formation 2010. This was near 100, but there was a split. And look at this. This thing dropped 2011, flat for 6 years, bounced up to almost like 130, and bounced down again. And on the weekly on this, you can see the big tops on this. This was a big move in 2017. Then you had a split. And now it's flat now. It's down flat. Let's see what it's doing. See if we can come up with... This doesn't do big volume right now. It's not necessarily a big volume stock, you can see. Now let's see a line right here, this 8 line. And this 2 line. So from 2019, you see this back and forth. The 2 lines held many times. You have wicks back and forth here. Also, the 7 line's big. So that's where that last move happened in, was this December? You can see that. So you can see these wicks, October, January. Look at this, May. Look at this big move up. Look at this twin candles that just shot up. And then it found the new low. This 350 is holding. Now, if this comes back to 350, you want that to hold. If this doesn't hold, you're going back lower. Maybe 2. This holds right here. 4. Maybe we go up. Let's get some momentum. We can, 455. We can get back to this 657 plus. It's got a little gap here from before. So you can see another channeling. Channeling has big moves up now. And volume spikes, which is good. So this could come out in news, one of them, and really pop it. So right now it's not really doing much, but we'll see if this can pop in the future. All right, so that's it on these 3 stocks. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. It helps my channel. Helps it grow. And the more people I can get in here, more videos I can make. And this helps grow the channel. TradeIdeas.com's in my YouTube, Twitter, MikeFrank007, TikTok, MikeFrank, Instagram, MikeFrank98, StockTwits, Mike Heyman Trades. And feel free to leave comments, questions. That's all good. All right, that's it for now. We are out. Peace.